In this module, I'll be talking about Minitab IEEE EPRS add-in functions. EPRS stands for Enterprise Performance Reporting System. At the end of this module, you'll be able to describe where to find background information on the Integrated Enterprise Excellence methodology, and also install a Minitab add-in that can easily be used to create 30,000 foot level predictive performance report outs, and to describe the IEEE EPRS Minitab add-in. And finally, to understand how to use the EPRS reporting datasets. So the EPRS Minitab add-in can be freely downloaded from the smartersolutions.com Research Center. What I suggest that you do to find this particular file is you search on EPRS space client, then follow the download instructions after creating a signed-in account. For those computers that are owned by companies, you probably will need to have IT support to actually do this add-in install. Once you get it installed, you should see at the top of the Minitab screen EPRS-D. So if we go in and click EPRS-D Run, then you should be seeing a window like that's shown in the center of this particular screen. If you click on the down arrow, you will see that there are several different options that you can have and undertake when using this add-in. We'll be focusing on the subgroups, no subgroups, and attributes for this training. If you were to click on IEEE subgroups, you would then be able to see various inputs that you could have for this use of this particular add-in. So we have name, that's what you're trying to do, and you have also the value. So if you go in and then go in and click on the name and click on downward, then you can see how under parameter description it describes what that particular function would do. And if once you get that done, then you follow the directions and you click in the value row or value column what the particular measurement should be, the column, the data column, or the particular words that are appropriate for that particular situation. Now what you might want to do is stop this particular recording at various points in time to go in and try some of these items that I'm describing to you on your own computer. So now sometimes you'll see that there's an S in front of the item EPRS macro name. That should be just ignored for the purpose of this training. That S versus non-S is not going to really make any difference. So in this module, we learned how to find background information on the Integrated Enterprise Excellence metrics, how to install the Minitab add-in, and how to basically use some of the functions within that. So we just talked about the subgrouping one, but there's also the no subgrouping one and attribute that has other options associated with it too.